Not your parents' retirement plans. Hello, and welcome to Not Your Parents' Retirement Plans. The Not Your Family's Workshop series is brought to you by AmeriCorps and the Cincinnati Public Allies. To learn more, visit nyfworkshops.com/about. Retirement accounts, 401ks, 403bs, and Roth IRAs. Knowing the difference between the three can help you make a choice that will benefit you later. Sometimes when you start out at a new job, you're asked if you want to join your company's retirement plan, and the company will match your contributions. So, how much money do you need to get started? How early should you start saving? And are you charged for taking money out of the account? We've created this video to give insight for people wanting to learn more and become financially independent. Hello, I am Raven Nelson. I will be leading this series. I am a tax accountant with 5 years of experience preparing individual, corporation, and not for profit tax returns. I'm currently working as a payroll tax specialist for a company, and my goal is to become an enrolled agent through the IRS by the end of 2020. Retirement. Where do I start? Let's start with different plans. 401k. Retirement savings contributions are provided and sometimes proportionately matched by an employer deducted from an employee's paycheck before taxation. Therefore, tax deferred until withdrawn after retirement or otherwise permitted by applicable law, and limited to a maximum pre-tax annual contribution of $19,500 as of 2020. A few things to remember are employees may contribute more to this plan than under IRA plans and have greater flexibility in contributions. However, administrative costs may be higher under more basic arrangements. One of the main tax implications of the 401k is that you won't pay income tax on 401k money until you withdraw it. Roth IRA. This is an individual retirement account that offers tax-free growth and tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Roth IRA rules dictate that as long as you've owned the account for 5 years and you are 59 and a half or older, you can withdraw your money when you want to and you won't owe any federal taxes. One of the things to remember for this account is that you can leave amounts in your Roth IRA as long as you live, but the account or annuity must be designated as a Roth IRA when it was set up. One of the main tax implications of a Roth IRA is that Roth IRA withdrawals aren't taxed because the contributions you make to them are usually made with after tax money, but you cannot deduct them. 403B. A 403B plan, also known as a tax sheltered annuity plan, is a retirement plan for certain employees of public schools, employees of certain Code Section 501c3 tax exempt organizations, also known as nonprofits, and certain ministers. A 403B plan allows employees to contribute some of their salary to the plan. One of the things you want to know about a 403B plan is that you do have flexibility in contributions, but you may have high administrative costs. One of the main tax implications is that you won't have to pay income tax on 403B money until you withdraw it. How can I save now? How can I save now? You want to start with a small amount, but you must start somewhere. Try $1 a day. If you get a bonus from your job or extra money back on your tax return, put a generous portion away into a savings account. You could save all your change for a year, take it to a Coinstar machine, and add that money to your savings. You could save all $1 and $5 bills that you receive. You can have a percentage or dollar amount taken out of your paycheck and add it to a separate savings account. You could start a legal side hustle and save as much money of the profits as you can. Thank you for watching our video. If you're looking to learn more life skills, check out the rest of our videos. And please send any questions to nyfworkshops@gmail.com. Special thanks to the following individuals and organizations for providing the information and resources to make this video.